artists. Today, let's draw one of the cutest animals ever, a koala. Koalas are known for their fuzzy ears, button noses, and love for eucalyptus trees. They're like little teddy bears from Australia. Are you ready? Let's start drawing. Koalas aren't actually bears. They're marsupials, which means they carry their babies in pouches. They live in eucalyptus trees and spend most of their time eating or sleeping. What do you like most about koalas? Their fluffy ears or their cute noses? A koala's diet mainly consists of eucalyptus leaves, which are tough and chewy. Do you think our koala should be eating a eucalyptus leaf or just chilling in the tree? Baby koalas are called joeys and are tiny when they're born, about the size of a jelly bean. If you could name this koala, what would you call it? Maybe Fluffy or Leafy? Koalas sleep up to 20 hours a day. Talk about being cozy. Do you think koalas dream about yummy leaves or soft clouds while they sleep? What's your favorite part of the drawing? Look at that adorable koala we've drawn. It's so cute sleeping in its tree. It's time to add some colors. Now that you have your preferred markers or crayons, let's bring this adorable koala to life. They have 2 thumbs on each hand to help them climb trees. If you could climb trees like a koala, which tree would you climb first? Koalas have a special organ in their noses to sniff out the best eucalyptus leaves. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button for more fun drawing adventures. They communicate by making grunting or humming sounds. So cute! Koalas have thick fur to keep them warm during cool weather. Although they look cuddly, koalas are wild animals and should be admired from a distance. Would you like to visit Australia to see koalas in their natural home? How do you think our koala looks so far? That's nice! Our koala looks amazing! It's cuddly, cute, and so creative. Make sure to share it. They'll think it's as adorable as we do. Thanks for drawing with me today, and I can't wait to see you next time.